If you have ever started an YouTube tutorial but never finished it, or quitted midway without any proper roadmap, this is for you. Welcome to Learnlia. Learnlia is a simple tool that converts YouTube tutorial into a structured course. Example, a YouTube playlist into a structured course. So it also got a plenty of features and a roadmap system to plan whatever you do next and whatever you learn next. It has a streak system to make sure you study every single day. Go to your browser and search Learnlia and you'll find the link at the top. Once you're into the website, go to the profile and log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. You create your account, verify your email, and simply log in again. Once you're done, go to the dashboard. Once you're into the dashboard, this is the view you get. There's a streak system and courses and roadmap count, and a resume tab where you can continue your learning what you lastly learned. So then you'll be getting your roadmap continuity, and there's a productivity column where you can mark your productivity to end your streak. This is for only project or coding work, like only honest work. You can just go here and mark your productivity like this when you are not able to watch videos and learn something new. So there's a to-do list where you can add your to-do and just hit it to mark it. Then there's analytics section where your past analytics are measured and your data is noted for up to 90 days. So other than that, you'll be getting a roadmap system where you'll be updated on what to learn next and what to do next. So this is your course section where you'll get to see your courses, and there are a lot more features coming. So once you're here, you can just go to continue watching your course and you'll be getting your course like this, like a complete course system like Coursera or Udemy. You can just watch your videos and complete your course here with a study planner. This study planner will tell you how many minutes you have to study to complete this course within a certain time. Like for 30 days, you have to study 18 minutes a day to complete this course out of 8 hours. Calculate for other days, like 14 days, you can just switch here. If you also want to give a custom days, like I want to complete this course in 22 days, you can just give there, and the system will tell you how many minutes you have to study to complete this in 22 days. Next, you get to see your details here, and there's a note system to write your thoughts, like learned about DSA or something like that. There's also a timestamp where you can just play your videos, like just go to a video and you can watch there and click timestamp and you'll get the exact timestamp with notes. So you can just mark it as here's where I stopped. Here's where I learned X, Y or something. So you can just complete your course here. So once you're done, you can also get your certificate from Learnlia. And here comes my favorite feature, the roadmaps. The roadmap feature is one of my favorite thing in this site. So you can just create your roadmap in 2 minutes and plan your whole structure for your career. You can just go to a create your roadmap and you can see this form and you can create your roadmap in simple steps. Like here, coding tutorials. Tutorial. And description you can give like want to get job by June. Something like this. And here's where the magic happens. You can add your skills. Like for example, you want to study this mobile development course. You can just copy the link from here and you can just go to your website and you can type it like React mobile dev and you can paste the URL here. It will create the course for you and add it in the roadmap like this. Simple. You can see the course here. And if you want to add the courses from your current courses, like the one you added previously, you can just go here, like you can my courses. You can just add this Python course, give a name, Python, and just hit add. You can see the courses here. Next, if you want to add a project, you can also do that here, like create backend for Learnlia. And for description, you can give something for you, like develop the best. And you can also mark your status of the project like planned, in progress, or completed. So I'm just leaving it in planned. And tech stacks like React, Node.js, or whatever it is. You can also give your own thing like Python and enter. You can also give your GitHub repo or your live link URL. You can add your project here and just waiting for save and publish roadmap. Once your roadmap is ready, you can see your roadmap in your roadmap section and you can set it as current. Once it is set as current, you can see it in your dashboard. Like this. You can see your roadmap's current course and you can continue from here. Like hit your continue and you'll go to the course you are about to finish now. So you can also see your roadmap in the roadmaps view like this. This is my personal favorite. Like you can reorder your structure and plan out whatever you want next. Like you can also add a new item, or you can just hit on here, you can just edit your items and you can edit your project too and whatever it is. You can just view your project like this. You can update your status in progress and your status is updated. And in the profile section, you can get to see your progress and batches you have earned like this. So your XPs will be noted. There's an XP system that gives you reward based on that. And your badges will be appearing here and the certificates will be appearing here. This is Learnlia and I have built this for myself and this is a great help for me. You can also try it with the link in the description, or you can just go to your browser and type Learnlia and you'll find the link on the top. Try out Learnlia and give your personal feedback and learn more.